super fun. And Nate's got his playlist going. So we have been back at the house for a little while. After lunch, we felt really full and decided that we didn't want to go anywhere else, so we came home. And Nate fell asleep, and I have been rearranging Landon's room, so I'm going to give you a peek at what I've done in his room. So, the crib used to be where the couch is, and the couch used to be where the crib is. So I flip-flopped those. The changing table, which we have now turned into a bookshelf and just catch-all, used to be over here, where this little play table is. And I'm probably gonna move that and Baby Makes 3 artwork. I think it looks kind of weird right here now. Or maybe I'll just move the table over a little bit and it won't be off center. But, so yeah, I moved the couch over here and rearranged all of his books. I really want, like, I know I don't want to cut this off because it may be used as a changing table in the future, but this thing's really annoying me. I'm thinking about velcroing it up underneath, because this is a nice shelf, but obviously it was a changing table. So then moved Landon's crib over here and moved some of his little toy bins over there, and you can see he's got his little play mat, which he loves. So I'm very happy about how everything turned out. I mean, it was really simple and I didn't do a whole lot. I just moved some furniture around, but I really like it and I think he's really gonna like it. We are hopefully going to take this rail off soon and put one of the little toddler bed rails so that he can have a big boy bed. And then this is Nate's painting. We went to Pino's palette and we painted the owl. And his little face is so cute. So Landon wanted this painting in his room. So this is his room, and I stuck this little light back here. It's really cool at night. Shines all over the ceiling. You can do all kinds of different colors. And it came with this little remote, so you can do, like, let's see if I can do it. It does all kinds of colors. Super fun. One of Nate's friends got this for us, and it I think it will move to music too. It can actually be like really trippy, so it's a lot of fun though. And then I think you can stop it, yeah. Anyway, I'm loving how everything looks. It just feels nice to have a fresh, new room, especially where we just redid our room completely. It feels nice to have stuff updated and changed. I think I'm gonna go wake Nate up and then we're gonna go get Landon, and I don't know what else we're we're gonna do today. We had planned to go to maybe Home Goods and a couple places like that. We need a outdoor water hose really bad and a couple other things. And I need to get cat litter. I remember that. And yeah, and stain remover. Okay, here's a question for anyone. What is the best stain remover for carpet? Because one of our cats threw up on the carpet and it is like stained really bad. Like I have hated our carpet for a while just because it's got stains on it and stuff, but not like this. This is so awful. And I used my carpet cleaner. I have a carpet cleaner. I used it and it made it better, but not much better. And it's like right in a really prominent area in the room. So I'm really annoyed and I've got to find a stain remover that works. So if you know of one, please drop it in the comments and let me know, because I'm willing to try anything at this point. Like, we are not going to be able to do the hardwood floors that I've been wanting to do for a while, so I'm gonna have to make do with this carpet. So let me know if you know of any good stain removers. We've had a fun baby-free weekend. Now we're on our way to go get Landon.
Are you driving on now? I've been wanting to do this all day, and I'm like, it is so hot. It is really hot, buddy.
It is hot.
So we came out about 10 minutes ago. And he's sweating.
Hi, buddy.
Hey.
What have you done?
Does getting gas to make car?
You put gas?
Out of gas.
Your car ran out of gas?
Oh,
Huh. This
This is what you want?
where's my mom?
I have it.
I want another car up there. One of the white cars up there.
No, you don't need that.
How about this over there?
No.
How about this? Someday the play with that friend table.
Oh yeah.
Someday.
You'll play with it someday?
Yeah.
Are you eating your Chipotle?
Uh-huh.
Is it good?
I'll scoop it.
You're gonna scoop it? Do you need help? Oh, you did it!
Oh.
Well, it's okay. If you spill a little bit, it's okay. Are you having fun in the bathtub?
I want to do it. I want to see it.
Well, I'll show you your video when we're done.
Okay.
What, is there anything you want to talk about?
Uh-huh.
Did you have a good time
Uh-huh.
at Grandma's?
Uh-huh.
What'd you do?
To play the Lego game.
You played her Lego game?
Uh-huh. And we had a Lego show.
Yeah, the Lego game.
Like the Lego show.
There was a Lego show.
Uh-huh.
And then what did you do? Did you go to a water park?
Uh-huh.
Did you go on any slides?
And it was, the bucket was around the ways.
There was a loud noise with the bucket?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's because I hear my ears like that.
Oh, really?
And I put my ears to do like that.
I see.
And a monster truck.
Did you go on the lazy river?
Uh-huh. With some boats.
With some boats?
No, floats.
Floats, okay. Were you with Grandma?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds like a lot of
And
fun.
he was laying on my lap.
She was holding you on her lap?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And Aaron was not going to sit with me to hold me.
Aunt Erin was not going to sit with you to hold you?
No,
Oh,
because I was sad.
and you were sad?
Yes.
Was Aunt Erin maybe helping Miley?
No.
Yeah, I bet she was.
I hope Jackson was swimming with him.
Oh, Jackson was swimming with Miley?
Yep.
Oh.
And, oh no, there's a big fire.
Oh no.
Wee.
All right, well, we're going to keep on taking a bath. Get ready for bed.
And watch TV.
Oh, do you want to lay in my bed and snuggle for a while?
And watch TV.
And watch, yes, we'll watch a movie or something.
Okay.
Or a show.
How about one Mickey movie?
A Mickey movie?
Mhm.
Yeah, we can look for one.
Okay, that would be. It says Monster Jam.
Yeah.
It says Monster Jam there.
You want to look for a Mickey movie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is a Hollywood monster truck?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Oh, a NASCAR. There's a NASCAR there.
What do you think's in your room?
I don't know.
All right, go in and see. What happened?
I don't know.
Where's your crib?
It was right. It's new.
It's not new. We just moved it around.
You like that?
Did it prize?
Did you say it's a reprise?
Yeah.
Hey, what are these? Hey, this is a helicopter.
Your helicopter?
Everyone's going in here.
No.
Yep.
Whenever I'm working.
Yeah.
Won't that be fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The lights are on. The lights are on.
Yeah, I left the lights on so you could see them.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Here's your Buzz Lightyear jammies. Stay right here.
I want my SUV. I want my toy SUV.
Your toy SUV?
Yeah. It can go in your room.
Sure, if you want to.
Something happened on the side.
Did it?
Yeah.
Mm.
Because it's gold.
Mm.
Look at this truck.
Royal stature must be courted by a gentleman of royal blood. What a wonderful. Your Highness, you're gonna have to pick someone sooner or later. I mean, tick-tock, huh?
Mickey! Oh,